Welcome to Lane Turo University. I'm going to explain in the most simple form how Turo works. This is how it works. You're the Turo host. You add a car on the Turo platform. You have an agreement and a contract with Turo where they share your car in the Turo marketplace, and they find renters for you or guests to book your car, reserve your car. They take a cut from that. That cut typically comes from the Turo plans. For example, Turo 60, you'll earn 60% of every dollar. They'll earn 40% off every dollar. Turo 75, you'll earn 75% of every dollar. They'll earn 25% of every dollar. Turo 80 plan, you'll earn 80% of every dollar. They'll earn 20% of every dollar. The Turo 85, you'll earn 85% of every dollar. They'll earn 15% of every dollar. Turo 90, you earn 90% of every dollar. They earn 10% of every dollar. And there's even a Turo commercial, if you want to be commercial host, where you earn 92.5% of every dollar, and they earn 7.5% of every dollar. That's how Turo works in a nutshell, and that's how they make it work. They don't own your car, you own your car outright. They're basically just a sharing marketplace, and that's how Turo works. Pretty simple. Like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Conrad Layn for deep strategies. Conrad out.